Right, so today we're going to learn how to replace the LCD on a iPod Touch 4th generation. What you're going to need for this is a clean workspace, new LCD and screen digitizer assembly for your iPod. Some of this adhesive stuff can be purchased on eBay for probably like $5, I don't remember. What else? A heat gun or other source of heat, like your oven or microwave, stovetop, doesn't really matter. A freshly cracked cold one. Mine's already gone since I opened it earlier, and it's kind of a long day. And oh yeah, screwdrivers. Probably some screwdrivers, I don't know. And an iPod with a cracked screen. Yeah. What the heck? On second thought, you don't need to replace the screen on your 4th generation iPod Touch because you lost it.